Before we start, take a good look at these photographs. No Lightroom, no Photoshop, no color grading. Every image came straight out of the Kodak PIXPRO FZ45, a camera that costs around $100. So, how good can a camera this cheap really be? The first thing I noticed was just how small and lightweight the FZ45 is. It slips easily into a jacket pocket or small bag, making it a great camera to take almost anywhere. The body is mostly plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. The buttons are well laid out, the menus are straightforward, and within a few minutes you'll know exactly how everything works. This isn't a camera designed for professionals. It's designed for people who simply want to enjoy taking photographs. Now let's get to the most important part, the image quality. Every photograph you have seen was taken straight out of the camera with no editing. In good daylight, I was genuinely impressed. The colors are pleasant, detail is surprisingly good for a camera at this price, and the images have a natural look that I actually like. No, it isn't going to compete with cameras costing thousands of dollars, but I honestly wasn't expecting it to. For landscapes, travel photography, and everyday snapshots, I think it performs very well. The optical zoom is another welcome feature. Unlike digital zoom on a smartphone, you're using the camera's lens to bring distant subjects closer, and that makes a noticeable difference. Close-up photography also produced some pleasing results, especially in good light. Of course, no camera is perfect, especially at this price. Once the light starts to fade, you'll notice more image noise. Autofocus becomes a little slower, and some of the fine detail begins to disappear. That's simply one of the compromises of buying an entry-level compact camera. If you mainly shoot during the day, however, I don't think this will be a major concern. So, would I recommend the Kodak PIXPRO FZ45? Yes, as long as you have realistic expectations. If you're looking for professional image quality or advanced manual controls, this probably isn't the camera for you. But if you're buying your first camera, looking for an inexpensive travel companion, or simply want a dedicated camera that's fun and easy to use, I think the FZ45 offers excellent value for the money. At the end of the day, photography isn't about owning the most expensive equipment. It's about getting out there, capturing moments, and enjoying the experience. And that's something the Kodak PIXPRO FZ45 does surprisingly well.